Okay, first you're going to go to zoom.us, then you're going to go to sign in. You're going to go to Kyle Jackson, and then you're going to put in his password. Everybody knows it, right? If not, check my emails. I sent it to you. And this will bring you right to this page, and we call this account Serve and Care. This is the one we're all going to share. I could change the profile picture there if I wanted to. Just wanted to run through here real quick, show you a couple of little things. This is personal ID. That is your personal ID full link account. This is your sign-in email. As we know, it's Kyle Jackson at St. Andrews. We have a limit of 300. And this is the sign-in password. That one we can change. Please do not change that. And then the host key, and then we'll come back to this, but that is 112233. I made everybody on this whole account, anybody who opens an account, a meeting at St. Andrews within this group will be 112233, and I will show you that later. I'll explain that later. So for now, that's how you log in, and then to go to any meetings, check what meetings are scheduled in this account. We'll go here, and that if we scroll down, we'll see all the meetings. We got spiritual care for caregivers at 1 o'clock on Tuesday the 20th. We have a listening circles kickoff event, and we have repeated wellness Wednesdays with Heidi Lender. We have a spiritual care again, that group, but all of Heidi's are on here. So that's the upcoming meetings. We can look at previous if we want to. These things aren't too important. There's some settings that you can set, but there's a couple of different ways to hit schedule a meeting, here or here, and that's where you go. I'm going to stop now. But before I do, I just wanted to show you the settings. We were in profile, and if you click on settings, these are all the settings for your meetings. Do you want to require a password? I have preset most of these, but you can look at these before your meeting and just see what some of the different options. I want to make sure that we keep our videos on and sound on because we did have a problem with that at one point. Who can share? Different criteria for that. If you don't want anyone to share, for example, you would just unclick that and then hit save. So there's just a lot of different things you can do, but I just wanted to show you where that was.